Hey, I'm Luther, and if you're looking for a fast, easy, and proven method to make money online, then you need to watch this quick presentation because I'm about to demonstrate a brand new AI system that is earning me over $20,000 a month in pure profit. Check this out. I've been using a ChatGPT-Powered app to generate profit-pulling viral videos for local businesses. When a local business posts these videos on social media, they immediately stand out in their local market, pulling in dozens of new customers and clients, as well as repeat business. Restaurant owners, bar owners, real estate agents, even local lawyers are lining up down the block to pay me $3,000 to $5,000 to generate a year's worth of viral videos for them. Not only does this app generate videos for clients, it also searches Google for local businesses that need them, scans their website for contact information, writes a personalized sales pitch for each one, then executes the whole campaign without ever needing a break while you sit back and collect paychecks 24/7. Now, unlike those affiliate marketing side hustles that require you to set up complicated sales funnels to earn tiny affiliate commissions, this app allows anyone with no previous experience or technical ability to skip the learning curve and start earning $3,000 to $5,000 paychecks fast. Anyone can use this system to build a real home-based business offering an essential service to the businesses that need it, all with no direct selling, no providing any service yourself, and no dealing with any agencies or affiliate programs. In fact, you don't even have to speak to the businesses that are paying you because the entire business is run over email with every step automated using pre-trained AI. Look, if you're not using AI to build your business, you are simply going to be left behind. The folks that are using these AI-powered viral videos are earning thousands of dollars in fees from local businesses that are eager to get their hands on them. Many of these successful rookies start with zero experience in consulting, yet they are outproducing agencies that have been around for over a decade. Listen and watch this quick presentation to learn how you can duplicate these results now, and watch until the very end to find out how to have all of the work done for you. You see, one of the biggest problems facing local service businesses today is that they don't have a reliable, automated way to stand out on social media and drive repeat customers back to their business. Business owners spend thousands of dollars to hire marketing agencies to manage their social media accounts. Now, these agencies schedule weekly content posts, usually in the form of pictures, flyers, and engagement posts to try to engage customers. These agencies schedule weekly content posts, usually in the form of pictures, flyers, and engagement posts to try to engage customers. Over the last 5 years, there has been a huge shift in social media with one medium dominating: video. Videos have been dominating Facebook and Instagram feeds for a while now, and video posts are required to use platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. The problem with local businesses is that video content is expensive and time-consuming to create. A single video often costs hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars to produce. Larger companies dominate these spaces because they can afford these costs, while smaller mom-and-pop businesses are left without any options they can afford. This pent-up demand creates a market with massive opportunity: affordable social media videos for small local businesses. Now, I've been earning a small fortune in this untapped market for years with a simple yet effective strategy. First, I pick specific cities on Google Maps and search for local businesses that have a sizable social media following but are not posting videos. Next, I find the contact information for each business, write them a personalized sales pitch, offering to create weekly viral videos for them to post on social media to bring in customers. At the end of the pitch, I make the business owner a crazy offer. If they pay me $5,000 to create an entire year's worth of videos, I will guarantee my viral videos turn a profit. Guaranteeing profit made this service a no-brainer for business owners, and they flocked to me check in hand. This guarantee was also easy for me to achieve by only reaching out to businesses that already had a social media following. It's easy to generate enough customers for them to make their investment back. Think about it. Restaurants can earn $5,000 in a single night. A lawyer or real estate agent can earn that back with a single client. The viral videos I was creating could pull that off in a week, and I was offering them an entire year's worth of content. This video service was a complete no-brainer investment for any small business, and the results they generated ensured that my clients would keep paying year after year for new videos. Now, the obvious problem with this business is that it's a lot of work trying to find and sell the right prospects. Then, once I landed a client, I still had to spend 2 whole weeks writing, recording, and editing 52 viral videos for each one. Now, I'm sure that sounds like a lot of work, and it is. So, when I started seeing ChatGPT-based tools that could generate full marketing videos, I knew I had to get in on it. I tried many online tools to see if I could train an AI to generate full, high-quality local business videos. It took months of trial and error to produce a bot that would generate full videos at the same quality I could do myself. I found the perfect combination of pre-trained AI that could write the video script, generate high-quality voiceovers, and produce amazing visuals. Complete viral videos at the push of a button. Not only could this combination of AI tools generate profitable videos for any local business niche, but it also handled all the prospecting and selling for me. First, the AI bot scans Google for service businesses that meet my criteria, including a high customer value, a good location, and regularly posting social media, but missing out on video content. The bot crafts a personalized rejection-proof sales message for each business, complete with the profit guarantee that has been so effective at closing deals. It finds a business owner's direct contact information and executes the full sales campaign automatically. Now, the results of turning this AI loose have been dramatic. What used to take me a week of searching, selling, and then another 2 weeks of video creation just to collect one $5,000 paycheck was done in minutes while I spend time with my family. The best part is that by using an AI to do all the work, you can scale this business to any level you desire. Without this AI, I could only handle maybe 2 to 3 local video clients per month. However, with the AI handling all the work, I was able to take on dozens of clients, working only a few minutes per week to manage the whole thing. Think about it. Depending on the niche, you can charge from $3,000 to $5,000 for 52 professionally created social media videos. So let's say you charge each client an average of $3,800. If you were to run the AI and only book 1 new client per week, by the end of the year, you'd have 52 new clients and $197,600 in income. Now instead, if you were to spend a few minutes every day with this AI and generate just 3 clients per week, after a year, you'll have earned $592,800. And if you run this AI 24/7 and book 5 clients per week, you're looking at almost $1 million in fees your first year using the system. Of course, these are only estimates and your results could be better or worse. The best part, however, is that once a client sees the results these videos bring in, the vast majority will keep paying you every year for a new batch of videos. That means every client you sign up is a potential source of reliable income for years to come, with this AI system handling all the hard work delivering results. Listen, I've been using this bot to successfully sell videos for months now, and frankly, I can't handle the volume that it generates. Think about it. Nearly every service business in the country, heck the world, can benefit from a proven social media campaign to generate more customers and clients. This demand creates a massive untapped opportunity for anyone that gets in on it early, and if you're the type of person that can see where this AI trend is headed, then you can jump on this opportunity and earn a fortune as this continues to explode. While everyone else is trying to gamble their life savings on some crypto coin or build an affiliate list or sell junk on Amazon, you can earn a fortune with an opportunity that is untapped, proven, and easy to get started. And right now, I want to get you in on the action. I've turned this method into a paint-by-numbers coaching program that I call the Local Video A.I. The Local Video A.I. is a step-by-step coaching program for building a passive income, selling AI-generated viral videos to local businesses. This program is designed to be a straightforward path to $10,000 per month in just 90 days. You sign up at least 5 clients or you don't pay. Inside Local Video A.I., you'll discover how to use this ChatGPT-powered app to generate profit-pulling viral videos that sell for $3,000 to $5,000 to local businesses, requiring no technical knowledge to create. How to use my pre-trained AI to generate a prospect list of thousands of local businesses that meet my profit criteria, including niche, location, and social media posting volume. How to use AI to generate personalized profit guarantee sales messages to land paying clients. This AI generates custom sales messages using the exact language I have perfected over the last 10 years, so you can land paying clients with no sales experience. Now, as a special bonus, I'm including a full Rolodex of outsourcers and freelancers that set everything up and run this business for you for pennies on the dollar. Hiring people to do the work for you is not just the secret to doing less work. It's also the secret to scaling your business to the multi-million-dollar level. Now, normally this is a paid upgrade, but I want you to see results fast, so I'm including this bonus at no cost when you grab your copy of the Local Video AI today. Look, here's the deal. I'm planning to sell the Local Video AI over webinar at my usual price of $9.97. Yet before I do that, I want to gather more testimonials from regular folks who are using this AI system to earn money from home by offering an insane discount over the normal price point. So if you are on this page now, consider yourself lucky. You get to join this coaching program at less than half of what everyone else has to pay. Act right now and promise to send me a testimonial after you earn your first paycheck online, and you can join this coaching program for one easy payment of only $17. Listen, don't decide right now. Take advantage of my 60-day no questions asked guarantee. Just try the Local Video AI on me for a full 60 days. I am ready to guarantee your investment by putting cold hard cash on the table in not one but 3 different ways. First, if you do not produce the income you desire within 60 days of joining this coaching program, I will refund every penny of your investment today without question. Second, if you do not find this to be the most beneficial system on the internet to build your own home-based business, just let me know and I will give you every penny of your investment back as well. Or even if you just don't like my accent, the way the members area looks, or even the font I use in the checklist, whatever your reason may be, rest assured that you have a full 60 days to test drive the Local Video AI for yourself. If you are not bouncing off the walls, thrilled with the results it produces and the quality of the materials, your investment is guaranteed to be refunded to you in full. Remember, this offer is only valid while the pre-launch sale is active. So look below this video right now. Click on the Add to Cart button you see below. Now from there, you'll be taken to our secure Warrior Plus checkout page. Fill in your information, then click the checkout button and you're in. Once you check out, you'll be given the option to buy additional upgrades and packages to help you get started faster. Definitely grab the ones that feel right to you. Now click on the button below right now to get started immediately. And once you click on that buy button below and log into the members area, go immediately to the quick start video that will have you set up with your first Local Video AI, ready to refer businesses and earn your first check in minutes. Listen, you have 3 roads you can take right now. You could do nothing, and of course you know where that will lead you, to a town called nowhere and suffocating online. You could take the tips I've shared and go at this on your own, and sure, it will help you, yet you'll be leaving with only a partial picture, and that will lead to months, even years of wasted time and frustration, which leads to less and less money for you and your family. And we both know that finances are one of the key reasons couples get divorced, deadly stress levels rise, and dreams are shattered. Or you can do the smart thing. Use the Local Video AI to fill your inbox with local business leads and earn huge checks selling AI viral videos to local business owners. Click the Buy Now button below that says Add to Cart, and I'll greet you personally on the next page. If you are still watching, you might have some questions about the Local Video AI. Here are some of the most popular questions I've been asked about this system in the past. Is there any OTO or upsell? This system is complete and works as advertised, and you won't have to make any other purchases to get started. After buying, you will have the option to purchase other additional systems at a discount, or you can continue straight to your download page. Do I need to spend any other money on this? Local Video AI requires no additional investments to get started. You can land your first paycheck using the free methods in this guide. Now, later in the course, we recommend tools and paid lead sources that can help you grow your business. However, they are not required to get the results demonstrated in this presentation. How is this different from other opportunities? Local Video AI is the only training program that teaches you how to build AI sales bots that use my proven sales strategies to book local business clients. Combined with a ChatGPT-Powered viral video generator, this program is a complete business in a box that anyone can use to earn side income or build a 6- or 7-figure business. What if I live outside of the United States? Now, this program works anywhere in the world as long as you can open a PayPal or bank account. If you will be reaching businesses in the US, having good written English will be needed to make the most of this. Can my pet alien use this to make money? Many of our customers use our business systems to build 6- and 7-figure businesses. Unfortunately, you will need to be a human in order to use this, as an alien life form cannot legally open a bank account. Yet in all seriousness, if you are human and can open a bank account, this system will work for you. Click the button below this video now to secure your copy, and I'll see you inside.